The revolution has begun. Interior wall surfaces will never be viewed the same. Jet washproof, impact resistant, waterproof. Resilient to daily life, yet stunning in appearance. Paper-like touch and feel. Textured or smooth. Think boutique hotel in your own home. Check out the small test showing the difference between how plasterboard performs in comparison to our Solisse panels. That's a 2.5 cast iron weight, and first we'll swing it into a plasterboard wall, standard for virtually all homes. And that's a substantial dent. Now for the same test on one of our Solisse interior panels. It just bounces off, not even a scratch. Looking to decorate your home? Previously thinking about paint or wallpaper? Join the revolution. Think Solisse, exquisite interiors.